So I hope you're all doing well. So I've just decided that maybe I should start vlogging and having a YouTube channel because I like to talk a lot and I'm constantly posting in my Instagram highlights. So I just thought, let me try it out. I'm trying it out now. I have no idea if this angle is right because I'll be using my iPhone to do this. Anyway, so I did this like little makeup look, fresh face, you know, like a little bit of blush, my favorite Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. Got my little hat on. It's quite chilly out there. This is not my favorite hat. I actually had like a pink nude one with a little bobble on the top from Accessorize, but I lost it last year, so this is my backup and I haven't been able to find one for this year. There was one in H&M but they didn't have my size in stock. So anyway, I'm popping off because I've got to get some electricity. I'm running out, you know. In winter, I've realised costs go up. £30 would get me through 6 weeks of electricity, literally. Now it's like 3.5 weeks. So I'm gonna have to go out and get another £30 worth of electricity to get me through the week, basically. So yeah. It is super treacherous out there and it is not fun. It's grey, it's raining. It's only 4:20 and it's already dark outside. Anyway, before I went, I forgot to actually mention that I used the Josh Wood colouring gloss on my hair. So if any of you watched my Instagram, you know that I had a lot of brassy tones in my hair since my balayage a couple of months ago, which I wasn't completely happy with. So I basically purchased the Josh Wood gloss and they were kind enough to get in touch with me and let me know that I purchased the right one because I wasn't sure. So I've put it through my hair and you've probably seen that it has reduced a lot of the brassiness and I'm super happy with it. It's helped with the frizziness. It's made my hair super soft. Like when you're in the shower, you can feel it so soft. I don't think I've ever felt my hair as soft as I ever felt it that one time. And there's like 2 to 3 uses in that tube, so they tell you to use a quarter tube and I don't have much hair, so I really didn't need to use a lot. So definitely recommend it. They've got it in 4 different shades. They've got it in a smoky brown shade. They've got it in, sorry, my windows are misting up. They've got it in a smoky brown shade, a chestnut shade, so that brings out the reddy tones. They've got it in an icy blonde shade, which gets rid of brassiness and tones down any warmth in the hair if you've got blonde bits. And they've also got a sun-kissed golden one, so if you've got like sort of yeah, if you want that sun-kissed golden kind of look and you've got blonde hair. So yeah, definitely recommend it. I've bought a few bits and bobs from Superdrug, which I'll share with you in a short while when I get home. Hi guys, welcome back. I have no idea if this is a good angle or a bad angle, but as I said, I went out and on the way home it had gotten dark and I was in my car and it was cozy. It was raining outside and all the lights were on, and then I thought, I don't feel like going home and eating the food in my fridge. I feel like I need a McDonald's. So this is what's happened. I got myself a fillet of fish and I got some chips and I had some nacho cheese bites or something, so I got those as well. And I promised that I'd share the items that I bought with you, so I'm just going to share those now. So item number 1 that I got, better put my McDonald's down, don't want it getting in the way. So the first thing that I got was these 2 facial sponges. These are from Spa Retreat Ramper, 2 Ramper facial sponges. Doesn't really matter to me where they're from or whatever, they're just 2 facial sponges. I use these a lot when I do face masks and the ones that I have are on their way out. I'm going to create a few more YouTube videos and some Instagram content, and I'm just sort of bracing myself. I've been prepping for the last couple of weeks to just get myself in that mindset, because with me, I'll do things and then I'll stop and I'll do things and I'll stop, but I know when I'm committed, I'll stick to it. And I've been buying like this Hollywood mirror that I got and setting up my little makeup station and things like that really help to motivate you, make you feel better, and they bring you joy so you come out of your depressive state. So I've been slowly working my way up to that point. So I thought I'd get some individual lashes because I hate putting strip lashes on. I just struggle with it so much, so I thought it'd be easier to do it with these. I was looking for the eyeliner ones but they didn't have any, and they had this Superdrug brand, so I just thought, well, I'll get them and see how it kind of goes. I'm just now reading that it says lash glue sold separately, which is great because I don't have lash glue. I might have some lying around, but let's see how we get on with these. I didn't want something too expensive because it was just for like videos and things. Got some ibuprofen a little while ago because I always get back pains and I don't take ibuprofen, but I think I need to take it now. And the other thing that I got was from Batiste. This is the dry shampoo with the volumizing sort of hold to it. It's got plumping collagen in there, whatever that means. I was actually looking for like the All Bay texturizing spray, but obviously you can't go to Space NK, and I didn't want to use All Bay because it's super expensive, and like as much as I love it, I don't need to use All Bay. So I thought I'd look for some alternatives. I used to use the L'Oreal one. I've got this other one from Boots, which isn't that great. So I thought, let me try this one. This says dry shampoo and volume. So I don't know if it will do the same thing. We'll find out. We'll find out. And by the way, I just want to apologize if I'm looking away from the camera. It's just not used to sitting here and looking inside the camera. And then I picked up these Wilkinson's Precision Cap eyebrow and facial shaving razors. These are not for me, these are for somebody else. I thought I'd just get these for them because I knew that they were never going to pick them up, and they were only $2.99. And that is it. That is all that I bought. And I've also found a little bit of butter wrapped in greaseproof paper. This is real life, guys. The reason I have this in the bottom of my bag, and I'm glad that I found it before it sort of melted and leaked it everywhere, is I actually made this really amazing spicy lentil and tomato soup, and my sister loves it, so I made that, and I made that for her lunch, and I cut a bit of butter for her because I thought she could put it on like her bread and eat it, but she didn't want it because she didn't want to eat bread. So yeah, so that is it, guys. So I've been having a super chilled out day today, not really done much. I actually realized that I had Disney Plus from you know, like I upgraded my O2 contract, so I basically been watching a couple of movies. I think I watched Tomorrowland or something like that. It was such a long movie with George Clooney in it. I lost my concentration midway through. It was a good movie, but it was too long. And then I'm watching this NASA program kind of thing as well, so it's kind of interesting. So I've had it on in the background, just trying to keep myself busy, you know, living life at home alone. So yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. This will be one of many vlogs, and I've got something coming up shortly, bit of a lifestyle change, so I think I might share that with you. Let me know if you're interested. I might vlog my journey. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe, tick that notification bell so you know when my next video is up. Bye.